Hi, this is Kay Lowry, and today I want to talk about how to use and view a YouTube recital. A YouTube recital can be pretty interesting and exciting. So there are two main steps. Number one, prepare, and number two, share. Let's talk about prepare. So if you were going to an in-person recital, you would have to get ready, you'd have to get in your car and drive somewhere, you'd have to get your kids all dressed up. You don't have to do any of that with a YouTube recital. It's just very convenient. And you can be in your pajamas at home. But preparing is making a big deal out of it. This is a way you can praise and honor and encourage your child and their work. So do put some preparation into the YouTube recital. Don't be tempted to just click and play it. Let's celebrate this YouTube recital. So when you get the link to the YouTube recital, start thinking about when can we view this as a family or with friends, and plan a day and a time when you can all sit down and view the YouTube recital. It's very helpful if you view the whole thing so that you and your students can see other people's performances and learn from them as well. You might want to, as part of your preparation, get some snacks together, have a meal, make it as easy or as involved as you want to. You might want to invite some people, either to come over to your house and view together, or maybe you want to invite people that are across the world or across the country. So once you've done the preparation steps, then do the sharing. And you can share, as we've said before, by just having folks in your home. And I would encourage you, as people are viewing the video, to take a picture of folks looking at the video, or maybe a video even of that. It would be a very special moment for you and your family to record that. And then if you choose to share it over Zoom or another platform with folks that may live in other parts of the country, as you get online to share the YouTube video, enjoy that time with people that you haven't seen in a while. And this is a great way to encourage your child. So just as a quick reminder, if you are on Zoom, you will want to share your screen, and I'm sure many of you know how to do this, and you'll want to have your browser all set beforehand, and then when you click on it, you are going to want to click on the bottom left where it says share sound and optimize for video clip. And once you have clicked those two boxes, then here you are and you can play a YouTube video, and it will be very optimized and the sound will share for everyone to enjoy. So here are some tips for your YouTube video and your recital. I hope you enjoy it, and I hope it encourages you and your family and the students.